Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you some holographic glitter gel polishes from Yayoge and also some polygels from Yayoge. Actually some really nice polygels. I don't normally like polygel very much, I know, but I quite like these ones. Right, so they also sent me a top and a base coat. The base coat is really thick and so is the top coat. So I'm kind of assuming that they are rubber top coats and rubber base coats. I can't read the writing that's on top of the bottles though. On top of the lids on these bottles, they've got some writing that is in some, I want to say Chinese. That's just me being stereotypical. But I'll show you in a minute. It was quite stringy, the base coat. So I'm going to cure that. See, look, base coat. What does that say? Can anyone read that? If you can read that, can you let me know what it says in the comments? And then also this one is on. Hang on. This is the top coat. This top coat was so thick. Initially, I was like, oh my god, how the heck am I going to put that on a nail? But I was pleasantly surprised. So what does that say? Can you read that one as well? I'm wondering if they say rubber top coat. I don't know. So anyway, right, this is the first one from the rainbow holographic glitter gel. It comes in a, I'll leave you the link to these. They're all in one like listing. They're obviously named 1 to 8. So number 1 is green, and it's a green holographic one. I don't think I have done the holographic any justice at all. They are a lot more hollow in real life than they appear on the phone, on my phone, on the camera. So that's 2 coats of number 1. I actually really like that one. Then I'm going to go over the top with this top coat, which I think is a rubber top coat, but I'm not too sure. It was really thick, and to the point that I thought, is this ever going to self-level? I mean, it was so thick. But after I used it on 3 or 4 nails, I actually really liked it. It comes out super shiny. So look, you can see the hollow if I hold it up close. I wish I'd hold them. I'm sorry, you can just see my hairy fingers. Oh yeah, I was trying to look as well at the same time. But look, it looks really nice. Oh, came out really nice as well. Can you see how shiny it is? So I kind of at this point was like, okay, you know, don't judge it yet. Let's just keep going. So I moved on to number 2. Number 2, boop, is the yellow one. It's not gold. It's definitely a yellow. Oh, I almost yawned then, like I was bored. I'm not bored. I'm just ever so tired. I've been getting up at 5:30 to walk my dog before my other half goes to work. I've been very good. So that's 1 coat. But do you know what? I can get so much done as well in the mornings before the kids get up. The only thing is, it means I'm in bed by 8:30. Oh, 9 o'clock. I have to be in bed. If I'm not in bed by 9 o'clock asleep, then I know I'm going to be a miserable git the next day. So this is number 3. I really like this one. It's a gorgeous purple. Again, I'm not doing the hollow any justice. I wish I held them a little bit close. Can you see it? Can you see it? I don't know that you can. I'm quite upset with myself because I promise you in real life they are more holographic than they appear on the camera. They're really pretty though. Number 4, is this number 4? Yeah, this is number 4. So this is a silver hollow glitter. It is not metallic silver, I promise you, it's hollow. Again, I just have not done it any justice. So that's coat 1. You could always put these over a, like for instance, the purpley one. You could put it over a colour coat of purple just to give it a bit of glitter. Or you could use these on their own, you know, using 2 coats. This is number 5. Is it this one? No, it's not this one. It's the next one. So the next 2 colours are not that holographic, but I think the gel that they're in is a little bit too opaque, and I think it kind of hides the hollow. But I don't know, we'll have a look in a minute. We're just going to do the second coat of this one. There we go. You can kind of see it better if I put my hand underneath it, which I didn't know at the time. So this is number 6. This is a red, and it's actually a really nice red. It would make a really good colour at Christmas. The only thing is, I don't think you can see the holo very well with this one. You might buy this and get it and think, actually, yeah, I can, but I don't think you can. So that's coat 1. It's a really nice glittery red though, even if it does hide the holo. I will leave a link to these in the description box. I don't know if I've said that before. If you do want to get 10% off, you can use my code, which I think is natmug10 in lowercase, all in lowercase. But again, I'll pop that in the description box as well for you. This is number 7. So this is a really vivid pink. Oh, it's like a hot pink. I love this colour. But this is the other one that I couldn't really see the holo in it much, if at all. I was holding it up close to me, but I think the gel might be a little bit too opaque. I'm not sure. I'm not a gel manufacturer. But either way, it's a really pretty glittery pink. I like it a lot. And then the last one is number 8, which is a kind of, if you're not sure whether to go pink or purple, it's kind of one of those good colours to have because it's like an in-between colour. What would you call this more a pink or a purple? I don't know, I'm difficult at I don't know. I just call it a pinky purple or a purpley pink because it wouldn't matter either way really, would it? But this is the last one. I'm going to do a couple of designs with them, and I've also got, can I see the number on that lid? 5. Is that number 5? Does it say 5? Yes, I think that was number 5 and number 3. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting these on the nail and I'm making sure that they flow all in the right direction. Don't worry if you've got gaps. Number 4. So if you are worried about contaminating your brush, just make sure you wipe it on a lint-free wipe before you pop it back in your bottle. And then number 8. So I'm going to just pop these on the nail. I'm really cold. It's cold today. So making sure that they all run in the same direction. And then don't worry about the gaps, because if you take a detailing brush, you're just going to move the product around, making sure that you cover the gaps up. And then you can also use this time to almost marble the colours together or slightly blend them. Depends kind of what design you want, really. I'm just sort of kind of both, really, making a marbly blend, I suppose. And then once I'm happy, I love this already. I just love these colours together. They are so pretty. I'm going to stick that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to take the Yayoge gel paint in 009, which is their black. These gel paints are so affordable. I don't usually like the word cheap. I like the word less expensive, because something can be cheap and can be really good. And when you think of cheap things, I think of cheap crap. But honestly, for the price, I love these. These gel paints are just the shiz. You just need them. If you want gel paints and you can't afford a lot of money, get these. I have made like marbly lines. Then I'm going to take this top coat that I don't know if it's rubber top coat or not, and we're going to cover this. By the way, I cured the Yayoge gel paint for 60 seconds, and then we're going to go over with this really super thick top coat that I really like. Oh, look at that though. I absolutely love that nail. It just sparkles like nobody's business. I love it. And then I decided to do one more because they sent me these polygels. Some of these are Chameleons. So the Chameleon ones, they're temperature change ones. when you put them in the lamp, they go white, but when they're cold, they go blue. They go whatever the colour they are. So when they're cold, they're the colour they say they are on the tube, and when they're hot, they change to white. Got there in the end. So I'm going to use, I think it was about this point here. No, yeah, this point here. So on the tube, this one says Poly Nail Gel, and if they're Chameleon ones, they say Chameleon Gel. You see here, Chameleon Gels. So the Chameleon Gels ones are the coloured ones. All right, this one's a colour as well, but you know what I mean. Do you know what I mean? Probably not, because I talk rubbish sometimes. I talk absolute nonsense, not rubbish. I just waffle a load of crap. Sometimes I didn't know. I've seen it now. I'm getting tongue-tied and I can't talk because I'm just a plonker. Yes, I am a plonker. It has been known. What I'm doing here, get back to the video nats. We are putting some of the pink one on. I really like that pink colour. If I was going to do my nails with Polygel, I would use that pink. I'm taking some of the white. The white is a really nice bright white, and I know I'm going to be asked about curing. I didn't have any trouble with it curing in the lamp either, but it was mixed in with other colours. I haven't tried it on its own. So I'm now taking the rose colour one. This colour is adorable. I freaking love this colour. Look how it's, oh, look at that colour. That is, I love it. Freaking love it. So I'm going to drop it all over the place. I'm going to put the rose one on the bottom, and then I'm going to start to mix the colours together to create a kind of marble. I am going to put a little bit more pink at the bottom and blend them in. There we go. And then we're just going to marble. And then I will take a gel brush and I will just push the product into place. I've got a little bit of isopropyl alcohol on the end of my brush just to make sure that the product doesn't stick. But you don't want to oversaturate the brush. And if it does start sticking to the product, that's when you know you need a little bit more. You need to moisten your brush. So I've put it in the lamp to cure, and I filed and buffed it. I cured it for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to take the number 8 gel polish, and I'm just going to apply. I kind of wanted to make some vein, almost like some veins running through that rose, because I found that the rose polygel ended up in that sort of section on the left hand side. So I thought I would just create like almost like some veins, like, you know, in a marble. And then I've cured that in the lamp, and then I'm going to take the black, and I'm just going to use the black to define the veins a little bit more. And I will, yeah, that's what I'm doing really. I was going to say, and I was like, no, that's just what I'm doing. There is no I wills. Oh my god, what's up with me today? I don't know. I just don't know. I'm going to bring the black out as well, just away from the pink. See, out here like this. I'm going to do a couple of these as well. Just, yeah, let's just shove one up there and maybe one more down there. And then I will cure this for 60 seconds. And when it comes out, you'll see that it's gone white. Can you see it's gone white now? Other than the pink gel polish on top. And then as it starts to cool down, you'll see that the pink will start to come alive again. It's not dead, but you know, yeah, come alive. No, it's not dead. And then I'm going to stick that back in the lamp. So this is when you'll see what I mean. Why am I out of shot? Okay, there we go. So you can see the rose polygel underneath. I'm going to cure it, and now you can't see it. It just looks white other than the gel polish on the top. Huh, I like that. So that's that design. I really like this one in the end. I was like, oh, I really like that. Did I just do that? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And then this was the holographic one. So I hope you like these. I hope you like this video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing, or you won't be able to say a complete sentence without getting tongue-tied. Don't forget, I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget, you won't forget. Love you, bye.